pins on it. I just didn't want to do it.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Should I say good evening?
Afternoon.
Afternoon or evening?
Afternoon.
You know, that's one thing I never understood as far as time. Like, afternoon, evening, morning.
Afternoon's like after noon, you know? Like 12?
Yeah.
Afternoon.
Fair enough.
Morning is before noon.
Well, see, my hours are late. What's up, ho? I was.
Oh, you're not anymore.
No, I forgot what I was asking you.
Old age.
I was probably just gonna talk shit to. I was probably just gonna talk shit to you, but I forgot.
Well, you do that all the time.
I'm nice to you, Pete. I promise you.
Nice to me?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
I am. All right. Now that you're here, let's start this video. All right?
I don't want to be in any goddamn
Come on.
video.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
The,
Why?
the people want to see you.
They don't want to see
They want to see
What do
you.
they want to see my ugly face for?
They said that I told them everyone that you were the last Chippendale of the 1950s.
Really? You
Yeah.
did, huh?
Yeah.
And this is going to be presented to the D or what?
Oh, you can't talk like that no more. You can't talk like that. All right, you got listen. You got to get
I'm
with the
sorry,
times now. Stop! You can't even talk like that. What are you talking about? Oh my God! You can't say stuff like that, Pete. This is what people of old age. You can't say stuff like that. All right? You can't.
I can't.
No,
Because
you
I'm the
can't.
most irreverent son of a bitch you ever saw.
No shit, you are. All right, I'm gonna have to. I need to do. I don't remember what I was talking to you about. I think I was literally just calling to fuck with you. So I apologize. Hey, you have a good evening, all right?
Hey, did you get caught in that bar?
God, go away. Go away. Fucking, dog, this shit I have to deal with. This shit I have to deal with on the daily. You know what? Listen, we as SS Motorsports don't condone anything that old gentleman said or, yeah, I don't agree with him.
By the way,
God damn it, he's fucking back. Oh,
if you drop your wallet, kick it to Oakland before you pick it up.
why you gotta say Oakland? You racist ass. Look, you see that? Oh my God. I should get like hazard pay to have to talk to him. All right, baby. Back at it again, here with the new edition of this week or this month's edition of Shop Talk. Let's get right to it. Right behind us, we're gonna call them mask off. We have the lovely CT5V Blackwing edition that is owned by the homie Big Vlad. All right, this car came to us pretty much already done, satin green paint, matte bronze wheels. We are actually carbon fibering the front end. It had a carbon fiber front lip. We're doing the front grille, lower grille, kidney grills, and a few other extra touches just to help it stand out from the rest. Moving along, we have the homie Logan's 2016 Hellcat here, which is now a wide body. If you followed us briefly before, we installed the wide body kit on this, drop, exhaust, Belgian wheels. This car looks phenomenal. Now Logan's back for round 2. He went ahead and installed a Demon style hood. Motherfucker, a Demon style hood, which is, we are going to install some Anderson composites. Anderson composites, hood pins. We got bigger injectors. Custom, actually, we already did a custom design. Why you make me feel so uncomfortable, man? What's wrong with you? We already installed the exhaust. Motherfucker, I lost all my train of thought. Nah, I don't even know. I fucking lost I lost everything.
All right, just skip this one. We're done. We're done.
No. Hold on. Flamethrower kit. Okay, got it. Ready? To accent the carbon fiber hood, we're doing a carbon fiber rear spoiler. Then we got some goodies with it. Logan went ahead and got a flamethrower kit. which is gonna be interesting. So Javi did a nice little tune on this, brought out some, actually Javi, when I say Javi, Tune Guru, did a tune on this, got him some good power. Now we're gonna, you know, put a little thing on the back end, and we're installing a flamethrower kit to it. And I know I'm missing something else, but fuck it, we're gonna keep moving. A lot of noise going on, so I'm gonna talk loud. Second Hellcat in the mix is owned by the homie Devin. If you're looking for a tattoo artist, this motherfucker is phenomenal, by the way. All right, brought his car all the way down from San Diego. We are installing a carbon fiber spoiler, rear diffuser, front lip. I got the homie AirPods and Ricky coming through right now to actually vinyl wrap the roof and trunk. And then we got an Anderson Composites carbon fiber Demon hood, which we're installing with the quick latch hood pins as well. Already went ahead and re-tinted the car because the car, he bought it already with, you know, some crappy tint on it. So we went ahead and did it right, stripped it, limo tint all around, 50% on the windshield. Let's go, let's go. Third Hellcat, right behind me. Come on underneath. Right here, 2021 Widebody Hellcat, which came here for a comp cam, PSI valve springs, Rippertune lower pulley, custom exhaust, B-Woody intake, ARP head studs, HP unlock PCM, and as usual, as soon as we're done with the install, headed right over to Tune Guru to make some magic to see what type of horsepower we get to this one. All right, on to the next. Right here, this one I love a lot, all right? 2006 G35, I believe it 06. That already came to us pretty much done, wide body, wheels, supercharger, had a nitrous kit in it. So we ended up doing an air ride kit, airlift performance, but this is the best part, is the trunk, so peep this out. All right, so looking at the trunk, this is how it originally came to us with the original nitrous tank to the left. There was just a box that was sitting in the center, amps on the rear of the seat. Obviously we had to fit everything else in it, so we went ahead and I wanted to do something custom, so we mirror image, got another nitrous tank, but that's actually running the air suspension. The custom made a sub enclosure with all custom panels, compressors mounted in the rear, the management all underneath, but when you look at it, everything's symmetrical, looks super clean. Check it out. Appreciate y'all tuning in to another episode of Shop Talk. Catch you on the flip side, and I'm out. Gotta get back to work, son.